Hey, hello to all. Welcome to Global Offensive Hacker Associate Community. Today our objective is to understand a cloud security roadmap. So today I'm going to guide you like how basically you can move toward cloud security and what exactly is the right path. So maybe if you are in the dilemma like what exactly is the path for cloud security, how to start, how to begin, then this video is for you. So let's start. So I am Harshad, founder and CEO Hacker Associate, and we will be discussing regarding to the cloud security roadmap. So let's start it. So here it is. Example, let's say like I created like a beautiful mind map for you. So you can check it here, right? So if you are ever struggling regarding to select the right path, this is the right mind map for you. So generally when you talk about cloud penetration testing or when you talk about cloud security, so there are many things are there when you talk about cloud, because cloud is a very big thing. It is not a small thing. Virtualization is not a cloud, storage is not a cloud, cloud platform is not a cloud. It's just a part. So we it's a mix of all the technologies basically, and sometimes we call it a multi cloud, multi cloud. So that is basically the problem. So we need to understand properly what exactly is the cloud and how we can start and how to make a career in cloud security. So here you can see clearly in my screen. You can clearly see that here my screen there is an image called cloud security roadmap, or we can say the mind map. So here like I categorize into two format. One is certification format, that is called cloud security, exactly our path. Second is the platform level part. So this is very important. The cloud platform is different. Cloud penetration testing is different, because we are going to perform penetration testing on cloud platform. So we need to understand a cloud platform first and then go toward the particular security, right? So if I start from a cloud platform perspective, so you can see on my right hand side there are three sections are there. One is AWS certification, second is Azure certification, and third is GCP certification. So I'm not talking like you can go specifically for certification, but my intention is to explain you regarding to the roadmap. So if you want to penetrate a cloud, or we can say if you want to perform a penetration test specifically on the cloud platform, or we can say that you want to audit the particular cloud. So you can see the three different things, right? But for all this you should understand the cloud first. So the platform understanding is very important. Very important is platform understanding. So for example, let's say as I mentioned right now like we are in the middle of multi cloud. Maybe in most of the company you will see like on-prem to cloud, cloud to on-prem, like mix of lot of thing. Some people also work with Azure, some people also work with the AWS. Most of the company work in the hybrid, like hybrid in nature company basically. So most of the company like have a hybrid technology. So hybrid, as like combination of any two cloud called hybrid, right? Public, private, community. These are the three cloud we'll be having. And when we combine any two cloud, like public, private is a hybrid, private community is also a hybrid, and then same way public community is also a hybrid, right? So these are basically the things. So in order to perform a penetration test, you need to understand the particular platform. So like AWS platform, Azure platform, and GCP platform, wherever you are working, it depends upon your choice. And as I mentioned, we need to basically focus on multi-cloud, and exactly we are providing like same training certification on the multi-cloud penetration testing as well. So let's start with AWS certification. So what certification you can take? Like first, this is not basically a penetration testing certificate. I am just giving you overview. What should you do? First level. Then you can go to the other level. So first, if you can check here in this section, I'll suggest you can go with the advanced networking. Before advanced networking, you can go with the cloud practitioners. This is basically the requirement. And the last part, you can go with the security specialist. This is the track. Specifically when you go toward AWS. Right now we don't want like other certificate at this moment. For penetration testing, these three are very important. One is practitioner, second is networking, and third is security specialist. But even if you have a time and like resources, you can simply go through like the particular certificate like weekly basis or 6-month basis according to your own choice. But I'll recommend these three, whatever you have seen there. Second is Azure certificate. So when I click on the image, and this mind map basically I'm sharing, the roadmap I'm sharing, you can easily download, okay, from the description, basically the link. So when you talk about Azure certification, so you can go toward this, basically SC 300, Microsoft Certified Identity and Access Administrator Associate. You can also look at Azure Administrator Associate. So basically you need to look at the administrator level, and don't forget, okay, to add Active Directory, okay, in your certification list if you want to go for the platform. These are three important certificate I'll recommend, okay, if you want to go to our cloud penetration test. Okay, and when we talk about GCP, let's talk also on GCP certificate. So GCP also have foundational certificate, GCP also have associate certification, GCP also having professional certification. So I'll suggest you you can go with the cloud architect, okay, and cloud security engineer. This basically you can go toward GCP. As I mentioned, it is not is not basically mandatory. It is my recommendation only. Okay, I'm just recommending if you want to perform penetration testing like a pro, like multi-cloud penetration testing, right? So for this platform understanding is very, very important. Otherwise, okay, you're not able to penetrate the cloud, because cloud is very big thing. Without platform understanding, you're not able to exploit cloud. Okay, frankly speaking. Now, this is all about platform certificate. Okay, it's not about penetration testing certificate, right? As I already mentioned, okay, in the beginning, right? So, what are the penetration testing certificate? Okay, from where, okay, we can learn all this hands-on, okay, completely, like how to exploit, how to write your own exploit, how to write a code for that, how to use artificial intelligence based penetration testing. Okay, all these, okay, there are a lot of variation, okay, here, like lot of questions, okay, maybe coming in your mind. So for this, okay, like I'll give you, okay, like, a very three fundamental certificate, okay, like I have introduced here, that you can go for it. Again, these are not all certificate you can go for it. It is not mandatory, but specifically you want, okay, like, you want to make a career in cyber security, specifically in the cloud environment, then more certification if you're having is good, because when you basically go to organization, in their requirement they will mention everything, all these, right? Like they require, okay, like SANS level certificate, they require hacker associate level certificate. Likewise, okay, they will put, okay, in their requirement. So what are the certificate, okay, you can go for it. So I'll update, okay, right now. So first, if you basically want to go architect level, you can go to the CCSP certificate, that is from ISC Square. You can see this is a vendor, certified cloud security knowledge. This is a great certificate, by the way, but the problem here is theoretical. Okay, there is no hands-on here. Second certificate, if you want basically complete practical format, like whatever I explained already, right? Azure, AWS, GCP, multi-cloud penetration testing, virtualization, hypervisor, hybrid cloud storage penetration testing, OpenStack, and many cloud API, SDN, networking. All these you want to learn, okay, in one bundle, then this certification is best for you, offensive cloud penetration testing. So you can go and you can check this website, hackerassociate.com, and you can go under the courses cloud security, right? These I leave to you. You can check it out and then decide, okay, like for hands-on training, okay, specifically on cloud platform, right? So we cover everything, okay, cloud platform as well. We are covering networking, we are covering all cloud platform, we are covering services, we are covering Active Directory, on-prem, multi-cloud, basically we are covering under this particular program called offensive cloud penetration testing. So that, okay, you can please check it out. Next, basically you can also go toward CCSK, certificate of cloud security knowledge. This is again a great certificate, okay, like you should put, okay, in your basically certification list, this part. So I'll recommend again. So here, okay, what is the conclusion? See, if you require hands-on, you can go to OCPT. Now if you need architect level knowledge, okay, like all this like technology you want to understand properly in a security manner, then, okay, like you can go towards CCSP or CCSK. So any one certificate you can take it. There is no requirement, okay, you can go both the certificate, right? Like CCSK or CCSP, any one certification is fine. If you have done CCSK, then directly you can jump toward OCPT. If you have done CCSP, you can directly jump toward OCPT. Okay, it is not, you can know, like sequence, by the way. Any one certificate is enough, architect level, and second certificate, as I mentioned, complete hands-on, that is OCPT. So this is a brief introduction regarding to the cloud security roadmap. I hope you like this particular video, and if you have any question, okay, please, okay, you can write it, okay, under the comment box. And have a great day. I will see you soon, okay, in the next episode. Thank you.